Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 16865 key tag with swivel ring made of plastic and 50 in a package is what this is. When you buy one, you're buying a package of 50. Okay. This is a swivel key tag. So the swivel portion is here, as you can see, which is nice because it's a bit more conducive to not getting hung up, just being able to rotate freely around the key or whatever it is that it's on. So a very nice key ring that you have here. Now this is inherently in the 65 finish, and what that means is that this is a purple color. Now the color that you're seeing on the camera certainly is much closer to blue, but that's probably just a result of the fluorescent light above the desk here. These are purple. Looking at the video, it is absolutely blue, but this will be far closer to a... This will be purple, is what I'm trying to say when you get these. Okay. Now, let's get some dimensional properties of the item. They've got it at 7/8. That is indeed the case, by 2 inch. Okay. You've got your swivel ring, which is going to be about 1 inch long, and then your tiny little nickel-plated tempered steel split key ring. That's 7/8 diameter. Okay. Now, the part number, all of it conspires to mean the packaging type, the quantity, and the color. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line catalog, and I'd like to use it as an example at this time. If you would pull that up, you can do a find function on the keyboard for the part 168, let's say, and then you will get to the page where you're going to find the flexible tag with the metal swivel allowing full range of motion. Paper insert easily slides out, so you're basically just going to get your finger in there, the back slot, and you'll be able to pull that piece of paper out. What I'll end up doing is just getting a thumbnail underneath that piece of paper, then you can kind of just expose it, and then from there, if you've got fingernails long enough, you'll be able to pinch it and get it pulled out. Sometimes I need to use a set of locksmithing tweezers that I have to get them out. But sooner or later, you'll be able to pull that paper out. Now, on that link to the manufacturer's page, what you're going to notice is that this is what is called the industrial pack when you have the 168 plus the color number, which is going to allow you to review. You'll start to be able to study there exactly how the part number changes as the color changes. And you can see on that page that indeed 65 is purple, and that color representation in the catalog is certainly for all intents purposes quite accurate in terms of the color of the tag. 20 for black. When you change 65 to 20, you'll get black. 30 is blue. 40 is green. Again, 65 is purple. 70 is red, and 80 is yellow. Now, what you'll notice there, though, is that the part number can change if you want some predetermined package counts and color assortments. The 16800, that means you're going to get a 200 piece count box that would be like appropriate for a retail application, where you would take the top of the box, fold it back, and then slip it in, and it will serve as its own merchandising unit. You'll get assorted colors in that case. You can then get the 16802, which is just 2 on a card. That's common for retail, small hardware stores, large hardware stores, locksmithing sort of environments, retail environments. Then you can get 160 in a medium jar of assorted colors. It's literally like a Tupperware with a peel-away lid, and it looks like a large jar. Finally, there's the 00168, then the color number, if you need to order a large volume, 1,000 plus, and you could care less how they're packaged, in a box for that matter. Okay, and there's silhouettes of what the packaging type looks like down below there as well. Now, what you'll notice is that when you've got that catalog open, you'll be able, and I did pull that out, by the way, the paper tag that just comes right out. Be able to mark on it, obviously, and then just insert it back in. Okay. Now, the rest of the catalog will allow you to see all of the other key tags with key rings that exist. Okay. Now, those other key tags with the key rings that are there will show you the variety of what's available. The one without the swivel type, you can get them also with a jump ring as well, I believe. Or you can get types of key tags with jump rings, and jump rings will just, like the swivel tag, will allow the key ring itself to lie flat. But as you look through the rest of the catalog, you realize the name Lucky Line is quite synonymous with all things key management hardware related, whether it be key tags that might be. And Lucky Line's going to be able to sell you a variety of items, certainly other than just, of course, key tags. They're going to have key tags that are going to be compatible with different base materials, paper, plastic, aluminum, brass as well. They'll be able to help you with. They can do a lot of, and one thing that they specialize in actually is custom printing. So they can sell you key identifiers with your company name, phone number, things of that nature, maybe on a spring-style wrist coil or a lanyard. They can do custom printing on many tags, and their catalog actually refers to much of that material. Obviously, key rings, everything from the small giveaway-style key rings all the way up to the large pull-apart jailers-style key rings as well. The name Lucky Line is quite synonymous with everything key, hardware management related. If you have any questions on the Lucky Line, 16865, package of 50 industrial pack swivel style purple key tags, or any other Lucky Line products, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank